Hi everyone, so we have already learned how to write chemical formula, we have already learned how to balance chemical equations. Now we need to learn how to write the chemical equation. So just something for us to remember first is that all chemical equations must be written in one single line. We cannot split the chemical equations into two separate lines. It has to be written in one whole line. So later when you see how I write it, it's because of that. Right, so let's first look at the first question. Iron plus chlorine give me iron 3 chloride. So what I'll do first is that I'll do my working right at the top. So iron, I know, based on my memory, it's a metal, so it's Fe, right? Chlorine, I know, is a diatomic gas, so it's Cl2. These are my working, it's not my answer yet. Iron 3 chloride, that means it's a compound, and I learned that in the ionic compounds, the iron 3 means it's a Fe3 plus ion, and I also learned that chloride must always be Cl minus. And therefore, the formula Fe3 plus and Cl minus, I need 3 Cl minuses to actually balance out the Fe3. So the formulas that I write here is Fe, and you realize I'll leave some space. I give some space, don't cram it up together because the entire line, right? The Cl2, and then the reaction. Please make sure that the arrow is like this, and this is not accepted. Okay, you cannot do this, and you cannot do this as well. All right, so these two are wrong. You must have it the arrow like that. And iron 3 chloride will therefore be FeCl3. Now, if you do not know how to write iron 3 chloride, the formula, or you got it wrong, please go and watch the previous video on chemical formula. Right, now I have written the chemical equation. I need to balance it. So what do? I write in my lines at the front to remind me that I need to add the numbers at the front and not at the back. Okay, so I draw in again my circles. So Fe, I got 1. Cl2, because it's Cl2, I draw 2 and then I circle both of them together. And FeCl3, so I got 3 Cl, so I draw all 3 together like that. Okay, so now I start cancelling. I use another color to cancel. So Fe cancel, Cl, Cl, Cl on the left, Cl on the right. I realize that I need one more Cl. So I need to add another Cl, but I cannot add 1, so I need to add 2 again. So I cancel, cancel. And I realize I need another Cl. So on the right side, so I need to add a whole FeCl again. So I need to add 3 Cls again. So I cancel the Cl. Then I realize I need another Fe, so I add another Fe on the right, cancel, cancel. And then I realize I got 2 more Cl, so I use Cl and Cl, cancel, 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 cancel. So all of these that I've been doing, they are actually working. The only thing I'm interested with at the final answer is over here. But if you are unable to actually get the final answer, it's very important for you to go through the working step by step. Okay, so we have currently 2 Fe's here, 1, 2. We have 3 Cl2s, 1, 2, 3, and we have 2 FeCl3s, 1, 2. So I have 2 Fe's, 3 Cl2s, and 2 FeCl3s. So that's my balanced chemical equation. Let's say, for example, I need to add state symbols. Then I need to remember that that's why I leave so much space, because you must write everything on a single line. You cannot do caret signs or whatever. So iron is always a solid in room temperature, right? Chlorine is a gas at room temperature. And then iron 3 chloride is an ionic compound, so it's most likely solid at room temperature. Okay, so that's how you write a chemical equation. I hope you practice the rest of it and remember to submit your work. Okay, all the best. Bye-bye.